Hey fam, I'm gonna get you in the game. I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious coffee ground barbecue rub. Now this is absolutely delicious on steaks. You can go to my website, cookwithmanualfocus.com, to get the printable version of this recipe. Hey, let me get you in the game. Two main ingredients that will be the base of this barbecue rub, which will give it some sweet notes. The coffee ground rub, give it a nice little sweet, fruity, well-balanced flavor. And you want to go with a medium roast, and we're going with a half a cup of this. And then we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons of 16 mesh pepper. And then we're going in with 2 tablespoons of paprika. And then we're going in with 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. And then we're going in with a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder. Then we're going to hit it with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And I'm going to tell you, this barbecue rub right here, this coffee ground rub, will have you in the absolute game. So if you never tried it and you want to try out a new rub that's going to level up your barbecue game, this is it right here. If you're still nervous about it, this is what I'll tell you to do. Go get your inexpensive cut of meat, try it out, and then hit me in the comments. Tell me how you like it. I think that you will absolutely love it. Hey, when I used it first time, my fam was like, yes, sir, we are in the game.